So, Algebra 12, compound inequalities. I was talking in Algebra 11 about restrictions, so now we are going to have kind of restrictions, and that's what make compound inequalities different from inequalities. There will be no arrow on the number line. So how do we solve this? Well, we've got 5x plus 2 is less than or equal to 17, and if we minus 8 is less than 5x plus 2, so 5x plus 2 has to be greater than minus 8. So a nice way to get rid of this 2, let's write a minus 2 under each of the three parts. So we're going to get 5x in the middle. We're going to get 15 on the right hand side. We're going to get minus 10 on the left hand side. Now we just want x all the time. So how do I get x on its own? Manipulation of formula, divide by 5. So we're going to get minus 2 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So this is my solution set. We do need to know whether it's an element of natural numbers. In this case, it won't be. We'll say x is an element of integers in this case, which I should have put down at the start. So let's see. I always say go one extra. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We're dotting the lines again. Are we dotting the 3? We are, because it's less than or equal to. We're dotting the 2. We're dotting the 1. We're dotting the 0. We're dotting the minus 1. Are we dotting the minus 2? No, because it's not equal to. Okay, from here. So this is the solution to the first compound inequality. Okay, so you guys practice this inequality. Press pause before looking at the solution. Here we go. Get rid of that plus 1 by putting a minus 1 everywhere. So we get minus 15 is less than 5x, is less than 10. Again, divide by 5, minus 3, less than x, less than 2. X is an element of the real numbers this time. Go one extra, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So I left out the equal sign here. So we're circling both numbers, 2 and minus 3. We're coloring in the 2 because of the equal part. And we're not coloring in the minus 3 because of the non-equal part. And because it's real numbers, we're coloring in the line in between. So now I'm going to give you a little test, 2 questions. Should be straightforward enough. Compound inequalities. Now, here's 2 questions for you to try in compound inequalities. So here's the solution. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So we're going to get in the middle 3x. On the right hand side 12. On the left hand side minus 3. We're going to divide by 3 to get minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. If we look up above, we're dealing with integers, so we're dotting the line. Start at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Do we colour in 4? We do, because of the equal. I put an equal sign in here, so I'll put one back in here and here. If you did do that, no, let me take this out. Let me take this out. We don't dot the 4. Let's leave it out because you've been tested on this. We dot the 3, the 2, the 1, the 0, and the minus 1. So not the 4. So the next one, take away 7, take away 7, take away 7. So we're going to get 4x less than or equal to 4, less than on this side 6. So we're going to divide by 4, so we're going to get 6 over 4 or 1.5 less than x less than or equal to 1, which makes no sense because it should be the other way around. Okay, so I left out the minus sign on the 13. So try this question now. Pause the video and come back to it. So here's the solution. We had x is in 4x less than or equal to 4. This side less than minus 20. We had a 1.5 there a minute ago, so divide by 4. Minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 1. Real numbers between 1 and minus 5. So we start at 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Which one do we color in? We color in the 1. You're going to tell me because of the equal part. We don't color in the minus 5. But we color in the line in between because x is an element of real numbers. So hopefully you've got a good understanding of compound inequalities.